Welcome back to another unboxing. This one's from Ace. All right, Ace just dropped a new colorway, and this is it right here. I would say it army green. It's green, but it's not. It's like a forest green. It's pretty nice. It's beautiful. You guys like colored trucks? I don't think they did the colors in hollow. It's another 55. I think they're just the AF1s, non-hollow, but that's all right. This is a beautiful truck. I love Ace. That one is the 44. All right, let's see. All right, we've got Ace combo kits. So coming to the shop, you want a complete. Well, we got the trucks, wheels, and bearings set up right for you. We got Umaverse wheels, 95A. We got Ace trucks and Ace bearings. We got them 44s and 55s, so you can fit, your 8 all the way to 8 to 8.5. Solid. This is a solid setup right here. Ace combo kit. Trucks, bearings, and wheels. Let's pop out another one. Just gangster. And then we've got Ace Gold. Big old trucks fire. That is in 44. We got 55s up on the shelf. Just a restock. Here's some more combo kits. And then Ace bushings with some Ace stickers. Let's pop one out. And then more combo kits. Ace, baby.